Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, October 7th. The back half of Unit 1, Week 1 of Level 5. Like, why is time flying by faster and faster and faster and faster? I need to, reverse my mentality and feel like everything's new again at school so time slows down. We did really well for our first week back. We finished everything up quite quickly. As you know, there wasn't a songwriting assignment this week, so probably gonna be a bigger one next week. So where Thursdays and Tuesdays were kind of my chill days, we actually have our mentor session today coming up at 10 a.m. This time I specifically requested someone from the music business program. We are working with a person named Alan Dash, and I'm super stoked to work on branding and music business and what I want the big focus to be, which is continuing to build a fan base. I didn't know if Icon was gonna let me choose someone from the music business side of things, but they did. So I'm just really excited to work on everything to do with music business and branding. It's time to eat breakfast, it's time to chill out for a bit, and get ready for our first mentor session of the quarter. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, October 8th. You know where we are. Studio time. I'm feeling pretty good today, and I just realized that I did not give you a mentor session recap. I'm definitely not used to having my mentor sessions end at 5 p.m., that's for sure. So here goes. Alan Dash is a marketing music business expert, and our first mentor session was unbelievable. I got a ton of homework to do from him. I'm basically doing a life map, which is an entire goal setting where I see myself in the future, and then we're doing something called a deck for my big project that I keep not telling you about, and then I'm sorry, but I have to continue not telling you about. Maybe I'll drop some more hints in the Discord, but I'm telling you, this project is next level, and Alan was absolutely stoked to hear that I am doing something like this. So yeah, if you don't know what a deck is, it's basically like a pitching tool. Really what it is it's a tool that takes the guesswork out of explaining what the project is. So anyone could view the deck and they would understand completely where I'm coming from, what I want to do, and where we're going. Super excited to get on that. One of the questions he asked was, what's your dream? He's like, I want to know what house you want to be in, where that house is. When you roll out of bed in the morning, are your feet touching hardwood floors or are they touching cement? Are you living in a high-rise apartment or do you own a house? What kind of car do you drive? How big is your kitchen? Is it open concept? These are the things that I want to know, and this is how focused I want you to be on your goals. And so for me, I've been manifesting stuff, and I've been, I would say that there's a reasonable amount of detail in how I've been manifesting some of my accomplishments, but this is taking it to the next level. So needless to say, I am super excited to work on this and to get a very crystal clear vision and plan for some of the huge projects that I've been working on, honestly, for years behind the scenes. Absolutely stoked on how that first mentor session went. So that's the recap, and I'm gonna keep you updated every Thursday from now on. It's Friday, we actually finished up our music business as well as our keys assignments, and we're chilling out today. We have our Friday vlog segment coming right up, and this is an extra special one. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. You'll see, it's coming right up. We're gonna work on some music today, chill out, not push ourselves too hard for our first week back. Let's get to work. Well, hello there. Welcome back to another episode of the Friday Fireside Chat. The first of Level 5. This is one of my very favorite vlog segments. It's open format. First off though, let's wind down from the week by taking a nice deep breath in. Hold. And out. That was better. I hope your week went well. Today I am so excited to tell you my top 3 sample and preset pack companies. Let's just get right into it. First off the bat is my absolute favorite, and that company is Freshly Squeezed Samples. They specialize in progressive, house, trance, techno, psy, pretty much everything to do with that world. Quite a few of the top trance artists have made sample and preset packs for this company. Dave Parkinson is a very, very well-known engineer, and he has an absolute ton of amazing packs on this website. So let's dive in and take a look at freshly squeezed samples. Freshly squeezed samples. Let's take a look around. Here are their most recent packs. We have the Dave Parkinson Progressive Essentials. Dave Parkinson is an absolute legend in the trance, progressive, like you name it, he's made a pack for it as it pertains to kind of the house and trance music genres. I think I actually pretty well have all of these. Let's go into Dave Parkinson's brand new Progressive Essentials pack. Let's hit play and take a listen for a minute. Just amazing cutting edge sounds. Look at this, artist testimonials from Artie. Honestly, I don't even want to use any other packs at this point. Elon Bluestone, even Armin van Buuren gave a testimonial for this pack. If you look under synths here, all of the popular synths are covered. Let's take a look at Serum, one of the most popular synths in the world. They have quite a few different Serum packs. Let's take a little listen to the Serum Future Progressive Volume 1 pack. I would say this is the sample and preset pack company that I use the most. Freshly squeezed samples, absolutely amazing. Next up, a more recent find. Mercurial Tones. I actually found this sample pack company through one of my favorite artists, Fatum, and their Discord. Mercurial Tones is a techno-based sample and preset company. They are unbelievable. The person who runs this also has an amazing YouTube channel. I'm gonna link everything below, but Mercurial Tones is by far my favorite sample pack company for techno. Let's take a look at the website and I'll show you a whole bunch of my favorite packs. Mercurial Tones. I almost own every single pack that this company has put out. And I think it's only done by one person. Let's take a look at this Serum Analog Techno preset and wavetable pack. So what they've actually done is they've used actual hardware synthesizers, recorded in the sounds, and then that's what they're using for the wavetables inside Serum. So not only does this come with an analog techno preset pack, but it also includes those wavetables recorded. As it says here, these wavetables are sampled from a Moog Sub 37 Pro 1 Arturia Brute, Roland 303, etc., etc. Let's take a listen to the analog techno presets for Serum. I'm absolutely loving these packs. Look at all the preset packs they have. They have for Diva, Serum, Massive, just amazing. Let's go into the sample packs. This one is my absolute favorite. Mercurial Core Premium Artist Samples. Let's take a little peek at, let's do Construction Kit 2. Doesn't that just sound so good? Let's take a listen to this one, PH Fat. The website's great, it's easy to navigate everything, and then there's a whole bunch of individual sample previews here. This is my new favorite sample pack company. I love this company. I love what they're doing. I'm gonna admit, those first two, they pretty much make up the core of all of my tracks. But I couldn't leave this sample pack company out, and that is Black Octopus. Now, if you're a bass music producer, if you're a trap producer, this is a gold mine if you have not heard of it. The people that run this company really care. They're super passionate about what they're doing. And not only do they have tons of presets and sample packs, but they also sell software through the website. Actually, you know what? They even sell hardware. It's usually specially discounted to Black Octopus. Their Leviathan pack is absolutely one of the most popular packs in electronic music. Let's check them out. Last but not least, Black Octopus. This sample pack company has been around for quite a while. I would actually be surprised if you're a bass music producer and you haven't heard of them. Let's click on the Leviathan Trilogy Bundle. Leviathan 1, 2, and 3. Like, this is the creme de la creme of bass music and sampling. Let's take a listen to the Leviathan 3 demo video. I mean, just amazing quality sounds. They also do quite a few vocal sample packs as well. Check this one out from Amy Kirkpatrick, who I've personally collaborated with.
Ever confident in me, glowing on all sides, yellow as the light. I am a warrior, ever confident in me, ever confident in me. I am a warrior. I am a warrior.
Just an amazing company, and I had to give them a mention. Well, how about that? Freshly squeezed samples as well as Black Octopus are available on Splice if you have an account there. I cannot say enough good things about these 3 sample pack companies. Go check them out, go support. I don't think it gets much better than these companies. All right, that is it for the Friday Fireside Chat today. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, October 9th. You all know what today is. We're continuing on with our vlog segment, Sound Design Saturday. Today, I am going to be designing kick drums. I did a demo about this a while ago, and I talked about it at the beginning of the week vlog, but I have this amazing kick drum template that basically enables me to layer a whole bunch of different sounds and then kind of put everything together and create my own custom kick drums. By the end of this year, I want to have secured a preset and or sample pack contract with a company that releases them. And I'm well on my way to doing that, so I really hope you had a good week. I can't wait to show you all these kick drums we come up with. Let's get to work. Good day to you, and welcome back to Sound Design Saturday. I love this day. Honestly, if you're a producer out there, even if you don't really know sound design, or you think you don't know, or you only tweak presets, give yourself a dedicated sound design day. If you are a big preset layerer, concentrate on your post effects processing, all the effects that go after your synthesizers. Trust me, it makes a huge difference throwing on saturators and EQs and just honing in on a certain sound. I'll give you a loose overview of how I did this, and we'll check out the kick drums I made today. Meet me over by the computer. Here we are in Ableton, and each of these I've duplicated and bounced down to audio so you can actually see the shape of my kick drums. So here's my kick drum template. I start off with the punch, and the punch is usually just a kick that I have found from a sample pack. Let's just hear that kick with no post effects processing. Okay, then I also added another layer. Let's check that out. So a little bit of a white noise thing. Then we have our sub frequency. Not sure if you'll be able to hear this. And then we have our click. So since I already have a bit of a click inside of my main punch, this click is a lot quieter on this one. So let's hear them all together. Let's get into my post effects processing here. I'm mainly using 4 plugins. We have a compressor, we have a saturator, we have an EQ, and then we have this fancy little EQ. Let's take a look at what this is doing. So this compressor is not working too hard, and it's basically allowing me to control the transients of the kick, and in most cases with my kick drums, tame them. Move on to decapitator. Mainly I'm using this tone knob to control things. Let's hear how it sounds with this on now. So by backing it off a little bit to the dark side, we're controlling the click of the kick. Now we have FabFilter Pro Q3, and so this is a bit of a kick preset that I have from the Audio Tent EQ pack, and I love what this does. I've changed quite a few things around. Let's take a listen with this now. So once again, providing more control over the overall sound and the frequencies. All right, and then this is the secret sauce here. This is the QuiegTech EQ, and this thing is amazing. It has a Kick 101 preset, and let's turn this on and you'll hear the difference. It's a classic analog EQ emulation, and I absolutely love the way that it colors the kick drum. So now that you know my process, we're going to go through all these kicks, and I'm going to show you the waveform of each one. Let's check it out. I am loving how those kicks are sounding. You know, I used to beat myself up because prior to Icon, I wasn't really doing sound design, and I thought that it was like if I wasn't inside Serum learning every little detail, then I wasn't a sound designer. And it just goes to show that there are many different facets to sound design. I can take a whole bunch of different samples, mold them together, and then use post-effects processing to design, shape, and color my sounds. Now, I bounce those out to audio, and I keep going with this. Pretty soon, I'm going to have my own kick drum sample pack. Really hope that the before and after and just the whole process in which I'm designing these kick drums, gives you some insight into how this process can be done. This is just my process. This is just one way, and I'm showing you this to encourage you to experiment. It's actually super, super fun. All right, that is it for Sound Design Saturday today.